The question is, it comes from May-June 2013 sitting. The paper is 9709/11 Pure Mathematics 1. We find our question of interest that deals with quadratics in question 7. And so we scroll up to we get up to that point, question 7, which reads, a curve has equation y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. And the line has equation y is equal to mx, where m is a constant. Roman 1, for the case where m is equal to 1, the curve and the line intersect at the points A and B. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. 4 marks. Roman 2, find the non-zero value of m for which the line is a tangent to the curve, and find the coordinates of the point where the tangent touches the curve. 5 marks. All right, that's our question. We look at the solution. A curve has equation y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. That's a curve. A curve has that equation, and a line has the equation y is equal to mx, where m is a constant. For the case where m is 1, the curve and the line intersect at the points A and B. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. For one who has been keen, you realize that year in, year out, there's just a way to test. And so if you're one who is familiar with these questions, then you'll get to know how to navigate various ways of setting these questions. So here, this will be, for a case where this is this, they intersect. So I will say, in that case, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to x, because m is 1. For a case where m is 1, the curves intersect. The line intersects the curve at 2 points. So we equate them because at the points of intersections, the values of x and y are common. So this will give me x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. I'm looking for two values whose product is 4 and sum is -5. So that has to be -1 and -4. So I have x squared minus x minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. It's equal to 0, like that. So x into x minus 1, then 4. It's now minus 4 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies that it's either x minus 4 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So that then means that therefore x is 4 or 1. X is 4 or 1. So we say for x is equal to 4, y is what? If x is 4, y is 4, because we are substituting here. Remember, this is 1, so y is 4. For x is equal to 1, y is 1. For x is equal to 1, y is 1. So the 2 points are, this is one of the points with the coordinates 4, 4. This is the second point with the coordinates 1, 1. So either can be AB. So the question is, find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. Coordinates of the midpoint of AB. So midpoint AB will be given by 4 plus 1 divide by 2, 1 plus 4 divide by 2. That gives me 2.5 2.5. That gives me 2.5 as the midpoint of AB. Then the second question, find the non-zero value of M for which the line is a tangent to the curve and find the coordinates of the point where the tangent touches the curve. So in that case, one thing that is Roman 2, first thing we should remember is that for us to have a tangent in this case, then this condition must be met for AC should be equal to 0. But then now we see what we have. So in that case, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to mx. So I collect like terms, so x minus 4x minus mx plus 4 is equal to 0. So that means that x squared minus x into 4 minus m plus 4 is equal to 0. Our A is 1, our B is 4 minus m, and our C is 4. So B squared, 4 minus m squared minus 4 times 1, which is 4, times C, which is 4, so it is 16. Minus 16 should give me 0. But then 4 minus m times 4 minus m will be, this by this is 16, minus 4m minus 4m plus m squared. So this is m squared minus 8m plus 16, implying then that if this end is just this, then we have m squared minus 8m plus this was supposed to be 16, yeah, 16. M squared minus 8m plus 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So that means that I have m squared minus 8m is already 0 is equal to 0. I can factorize m. So that I have m into m minus 8 is equal to 0. That implies that m is equal to 0 or m is 8 or m is 8. M is equal to 0 or m is 8. M is 0 or m is 8. Just to recap, it was 4 minus m. So 4 by 4 is 16 minus 4m minus 4m plus m squared. So that is m squared minus 8m plus 16. That's okay. M squared minus 8m plus 16 minus 16 is equal to that. So m squared minus 8m is equal to 0. And this from here should just imply that, so m squared, because 16 minus 16 plus 16 minus 16, that gives me 0. So m squared minus 8m is equal to 0. I can factorize so that as I have m into this minus 8 is equal to 0. So either m is 0 or 8. Or 8. Then we have, we then have, because it's x, because x squared minus 4x, x squared minus 4x, x squared minus 4x. Yeah, so there is this aspect here that I'm trying to see. B here is negative. B here is negative. So we need to multiply this by a negative. We need to multiply this by a negative. So if we multiply that by a negative, then in effect, sorry for that, I think that's why I'm, yeah. So in effect, if I go with the fact that this should be a negative, then it becomes m minus 4. So b is m minus 4. So m minus 4 times m minus 4 is equal to m squared minus 4m minus 4m plus 16, which is m squared minus 8m plus 16. Is it similar to what I have? That is, yeah. But then my initial condition was that b squared minus 4ac should have been 0. And my b squared is now this, so I have m squared minus 8m plus 16. That's b squared minus 4ac. So 4 times 1 times 4, that is 16. So minus 16 is equal to 0. So that means I have m squared minus 8m is equal to 0. And so if I factorize m here, I'll be having m minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, m is 0 or 8. M is 0 or 8. It's just that. That makes no difference. So let me proceed to find the coordinates at the point where they touch. Coordinates at the point where they touch. So we are asked to find non-zero value. So we reject where m is 0. We reject where m is 0 because that would give us a y of 0. So we take m to be 8. So if y is equal to 8x, if y is equal to 8x, and we know that at the point of intersection we had, if y is equal to 8x, then if y is equal to 8x, the question is asking find the coordinates of the point where the tangent touches the curve. So we substitute the value of m, that we have found, we substitute it here. We substitute the value of m that we have found there. If we do that, then that will be 4 minus 8, which gives me 4 minus 8 gives me x squared minus, because it's minus 4, so that's minus 4. So minus x times minus, so plus 4x plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So two values whose product is that gives me x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. And so by factorizing, I get x plus 2. Then again, I have 2 here, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So that means that x plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Implying that should imply that x is plus or minus 2. X is plus or minus 2. X is plus or minus 2. So the case that we take minus 2, because if I get the square root here and the square root there, that will be x plus 2 is equal to 0. in which case I get minus 2 as the value of x. Then grab this from this, the value of x is minus 2. If x is minus 2, then what is y? Y we were given to be 8x and x is minus 2. Therefore, y will be minus 2 times 8, which is minus 16. So the coordinates are minus 2, minus 16. That's the point of intersection where the line cuts the curve. So that's the solution. And please do like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video.